Track 2.8.
My country. Exercise 2.
The Baikonur Cosmodrome was built in the 1950s. It was the first cosmodrome in the world, and it is still the largest and the busiest. It is located in the desert steppe in Kazakhstan, about 200 kilometers east of the Aral Sea. A lot of space missions are launched from the cosmodrome every year. Both Sputnik 1, the Earth's first artificial satellite, and Vostok 1, the first spacecraft with a man on board, were launched from Gagarin's start at Baikonur. The first Kazakh astronaut, Tokhtar Albakirov, flew from Gagarin's.
Track 2.5. Vocabulary and listening. Exercises 3 and 4.
So, tell us about the 2 university students who made that amazing trip.
Yes, the 2 university students, Laura Elliott and Emily Carrington, travelled 17,000 kilometres from the North Pole to the equator on skis, boats, bicycles and walking.
That's incredible.
I know. It's a very long way. They started in Greenland, but the adventure nearly ended before it started. Laura Elliott had an accident. While they were skiing across Greenland, Laura fell through the ice, and the next time she woke up, she was in hospital.
Oh no. I guess they stopped then.
Nope. When Laura's leg was okay again, the friends continued. They arrived at the Atlantic Ocean and sailed 4,000 kilometres to the United States. There are sometimes terrible storms in the Atlantic, but they were okay. After more than a month, Laura and Emily arrived safely in Boston, in America.
What did they do next?
They cycled across the United States and then down into Central America. The problem here wasn't the cold, but the high temperatures. It was sometimes 40 degrees. After the 8,000-kilometre cycle ride, the girls bought another boat and they sailed from Panama to Ecuador.
Wow. When they arrived in Ecuador, how did they get to the equator?
They walked and climbed the Andes to get to Quito, and Quito is right next to the equator. Their families were there waiting for them.
Wow, what a fantastic adventure.